the biggest snowman in the world.
So this is my first snow in Germany. It's going to fall. It's been snowing for days, and I and my friend decided to step outside this weekend and decided to build the biggest snowman you will ever see.
Let's make the biggest snowman.
To make a huge snowman, you don't start big. You start with one snowball at a time.
Make it tight.
Like this? मेरे ख्याल से स्नो थोड़ा गड़बड़ है.
Like this?
Once you roll it to the ground, the snow sticks to itself. That's the secret.
Oh, we are just making it.
So we were stacking snows upon snows till it got bigger and bigger.
Pyramid of Egypt in Germany. That was amazing. So I've made this one.
Every rotation adds a new layer and the ball keeps getting bigger. So now, here is the teamwork. Everyone starts molding and bringing the balls down to where the snowman will be built. For the head, we needed a cleaner shape, and here we go, the bucket.
What is that? You brought buckets to take more snows.
We fill it up with snow and press it down tightly, and we lift the bucket carefully. And now we've got a perfect shaped snow head. Just like that, the snowman comes to life.
Wait there! Brother!
What's happening?
पानी से
हेड कर दिया तूने?
पानी से लगाएंगे? नहीं मैंने बिगड़ा नहीं है उसको, वो ऐसे ही है.
हाँ इसे पानी लगो फिर वो चिपकेगा. हल्का सा डालना.
यहाँ से पानी टूट जाएगा. ये सब चिपक गया.
Okay, put it on. Gross. It's gross. It's gross. This is so big. Fasam, excuse. Fasam, excuse. Yeah. I thought this is the eyes. This is where it's facing. Let me make it closer. How are we gonna make smile? How?
Like we'll put something there. Thug life.
नहीं स्टिक लगाओ ऐसे दिखेगा नहीं. Yeah, this was the makeup artist. Makeup artist.
Hello guys.
So we can now take pictures around it, right? They are doing this so meticulously. You should be an HCI student. The designers.
So what do you guys think? Do you think it was fun? Is it something you want to try? Have you ever tried it? If you're in Canada or you're in any European country experiencing snow now, is this something you're going to be experiencing soon? Then this video is for you. And how I came here, I will be sharing the video of my visa process and everything, how I was here, because I haven't made the video yet and I'll be sharing the video very soon. Please press the subscribe button if this makes a lot of sense to you and you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you very much. I'll be sharing my experience in the next coming video.
Hi! This is pretty. Say hi to the camera. This is a video. It's a video. It's a video. It's a video.
Yeah?
Hi! So, this is the biggest snowman in Ziggy.